Iron is a very important mineral required by the body. It is needed for forming hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin is necessary for carrying oxygen and for the making of blood. So, iron is basically present in green leafy vegetables, in meat, in jaggery, in rice flakes or aval, and also in this cereal which is eaten in North India called bajra, dry fruits like dates and raisins. So, when iron is low in the body, children find it difficult to concentrate in class. They have a very dizzy, you have a dizzy feeling, a feeling of tiredness, difficulty in climbing stairs or breathlessness. You feel uncomfortable when you climb stairs, and also spoon-shaped fingernails, which is one of the common signs of anemia. Deficiency of iron is very common in young children because of worm infestation. So, deworming should be done once in 6 months, and iron-rich foods must be included as a part of the diet in our daily life.